again because some girl here. Okay, anyway, hey you guys. Okay, for those of you who have seen the Luis Manzano show, and I'm pretty sure that's not a lot. Nag-guest po ako doon. I paid the winners of the t-shirts a visit and also filed cases against them. So, lahat po sila pending ang mga kaso sa korte. It was nice to meet you guys. Nice to have met you and good luck. See you in the bilangguan. Anyway, of course, I'm here to give you the top 10 videos that you guys voted for today. And we start with Justin Bieber, na 14 years old lamang. Na, kung 14 years old ba kayo, na-experience nila ang pag-ibig? Oo, na-experience mo na? Highly doubt that. Would you like to see who said that? Might not make sense. 14 ka pala, na-experience mo na ang pag-ibig? And, oh my goodness! Let's see, let's just watch them. When I was 14, na-experience ko na ba ang pag-ibig? So, anong grade ako noon? Grade 6. Ay, hito pa ako na. Bibigotin pa ako na, hindi ko parang ko rin waxing ng mga panahon na yun. So, nag-experiment pa ako sa mga kung ano ng deodorant ng mga panahon na yun. Hindi ko pa na-legit yung body chemistry ko. But 14 years old, hindi. In fairness ng mga 14 ako, oo, may mga crush-crush na. Grade 4 pa nga lang ako, mga crush-crush na eh. 14, high school na yun. Mga third year. Oo. Tapos, ayun, once again, the story of my life, my acne days. So, always one way yung pag-ibig ko ng mga panahon na yun. Anyway, sana ng mga panahon na yun, nauso si Justin Bieber para naman hindi ako nalilonely. Just like this girl. One less lonely girl was JB sa number 10. And Princess on Mix Setlist today at 6 p.m. Bakit hindi ako nag-mix setlist? I'm not good enough as an artist. Maglabas ng bago kong album. Okay. That'll be next year. But anyway, so yes, Nicki Han and Princess will be on Mix Up today at 6 p.m. Make sure that you guys are online. And Kristen Bautista will be on Mix Presents tonight at 9 p.m. At susunod naman, si Princess, Pop Princess, speaking of Princess, Pop Princess Sarah Z at number 9. Ano yung sabihin ng pagiging Christmas girl? It means I'm the gift. Oh my God. Sarah! Are you serious? You're a Christmas girl. You're giving yourself to who as a present? To everyone. To the popsters na nanonood. Dahil nung minsan mayroong mga nakausap na popsters sa taping ng nagsimula sa puso. At na-mention nga nila na nanonood sila ng Nick. So I have to be very careful. Kasi kung ano naman chinik-chika ko about Sarah G. Anyway, here's Sarah Z with your Christmas girl at number 9. Okay. This just in. Justin Bieber has now turned 15 in the last, how many minutes? 5 minutes. So, binabawi ko po yung sinabi ko kanina. A few minutes ago, he was 14 years old, but now, he is 15. So, speaking of changing ages, December 3 birthday celebrants, happy birthday to all of you! Ang isang nag-celebrate ng kanyang birthday ay ang kumanta ng If You're Not The One na si Daniel Bedingfield. He was actually here, a few years ago. I remember that. MRS days. Yeah. My first show ever in ABS. It's called MRS. If you guys remember that. Most requested show. Kasama ko dyan sila Kuya Dick, Ate Ami, and Tony G, and Marvin Agustin. At nag-guest lang si Daniel Bedingfield na super shocked ako because nung mga panahon na yon, merong nagsabi sa akin or nakarating sa akin na he passed away. So when I heard na guest siya sa MRS, I thought, twilight moment. But then again, stupidity. Anyway, up next is Britney Spears, who celebrated her 28th birthday yesterday. She's 28 na. She's so young, but she's been through so much in her life. No? Anyway, here's for 3 at number 8. 70 Cindy. Hope you're doing fine. Always one make a Pauline. Nakumpleto mo siya. Congrats. I know your full name. I'm such a big fan of yours. Thank you. I find you pretty even without makeup. I love your beauty. Hindi nakakasawa. Maraming salamat po. But I understand sometimes nag-break out ang skin mo. Nako, yes. Siguro sa puyat at sa taping. Ito na nga yung sinasabi ko. Sabi ko, and it's, my breakout started when I started doing, nagsimula sa puso. Ano ba naman yun? Minsan na nga lang ako mag-soap. Yung mga role ko pa, given na naman yung mga role ko na very glamorous yung mga role ko. If you guys have taken note, very glamorous yung mga role ko. So, kailangan laging walang makeup. Kung kailan naman, ang dami namang times na paano lang ako, pa-chever-chever lang ako. Kung kailan naman times na nag-start yung nagsimula sa puso at nauso pa ang HD camera. Sabi ko nung nanonood ako, oh my goodness, what is that face? Tapos the following taping day, nakita ko yung mga camera nila, HD. High definition. So, lahat talaga ng mga flaws mo. Pati yung flaws ng personality ko nakikita. Ganun sa high definition. So, nagawa naman ng paraan. Kapag-liliha. Thank you for that. So, yes, oo. Pag nag-break ako bonggang-bongga siya. Anyway, you're beautiful for me inside and out. Thank you very much. Yun naman ang important. I'm beautiful inside. Lots of love and kisses, Cindy. Cindy, thank you very much for your kind words and thanks for taking the time to get in touch with me. Next is Zebby. Sabi ni Zebby, I'm Zebby. Nikki, tanong ko lang sa'yo. Naku, ito na. Curious lang ako. Sabon ka ba? Kasi kapag nagjo-joke ka, bumubula ang bibig ko sa kakatawa. Akala ko naman, bumubula yung bibig. Di ba yun para sa mga asong na ulol? Diba? Ikaw na ba makahanap ka naman ng mga metaphors dyan? Hi to my boyfriend, Keith Brian. Love you, pangit. Yung Keith, ang ganda niyo. Thanks, Nikki. God bless mo. Thank you very much, Debbie, for your pickup line. And once again, hi to your boyfriend, Keith. And thank you very much for sending in your text message. If you guys want to get in touch with me, all you have to do is type in mixed-space VJ Nikki, space your message and your name, and send that to 2366. Do not worry, if you did send in a text message, I will still be reading that through our messages later on, so make sure that you guys stay tuned. In the meantime, Fireflies by Owl City is now at number 7.